I already know that he's there. Is it the farm?
Where are you going tomorrow, Cal?
The farm.
You going to the farm?
Yeah.
What are you going to do there?
I'm gonna drive 4-wheeler.
Drive 4-wheelers?
Yeah, and the Granger.
And the Granger?
Those are fun.
And what else?
A dead tractor.
Didn't anybody tell you?
Uh-uh.
They sold their tractors.
What?
They don't have any tractors anymore.
Mm.
You know what else?
What?
They sold their 4-wheelers.
Mm. They sold their Grangers? Now what?
Yeah.
What do they have?
I think they just have chickens.
They got rid of everything.
They got rid of their tractors and their Grangers and their 4-wheelers, all of them.
Now they have horses?
I don't think so.
What do they?
I think they just sit around and look at the sky.
Mom, what do they have?
I don't know.
What do they have?
I didn't hear that they
What
got
are you
rid of
gonna-
everything.
What are you going to do if they don't have tractors and Grangers and 4-wheelers?
I don't know. But I want to go for a ride out there.
But they don't have them anymore. They sold them.
Do they have horses?
No.
But I want to go for a ride.
On what?
On what do you want to ride on? In the car?
No, out there. I want to ride out in Jared's.
And Jared's what? They don't have stuff anymore.
Why?
Just they had to sell them.
Why?
Because Jared made some bets on some NFL football games and lost all of his money.
Mm.
So they needed money fast.
Mm.
So now,
So what are we going to do at the
what
farm?
are we going to do?
But I want to go for a ride.
If they don't have tractors and 4-wheelers and Grangers, do you still want to go?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
You still want to go see him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even Jarrett? You still want to see Jarrett?
Yeah. I just really want to go to the. I really want to drive the Granger.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Are you going to be okay?
No, I really want to.
You sad?
Why are you sad?
Because I don't get to.
Because you don't get to?
Mm-mm.
Do you think that maybe Daddy's just joking?
Yeah. Are you? Mm.
Does that mean, Daddy?
Do they sell? Mm.
Yeah. Huh?
Mm.
What do they still have?
4-wheelers and Grangers and tractors.
Yeah. They still do.
Why are you kidding? Why were you?
Because Jarrett told me to do that to you and tell you that they sold them all just to see what you would do. Say, that's so mean, Uncle Jarrett.
Jared, that is so mean. Stop that.
Say, see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.